Watching your official part of Badwam TV Badwam so Jumadie na shase 5:30 enti yedonyom no saa busti umora no no hu say afi no Awurade adom nti ode yen atwa ai ni abobom nyomo eda nti nyame ya adom a se memendai enwumwe no mu se behwie agusa brebi de ohia ye 50 Ghana cedis na chese ne yedimu an ye kuri Badwam kase ne de to aso yi Eseme tojo omu biya wobetini DVL regional manager sanukure bi enimu won sembi a womo eka fa DVL foforo ya womo number plate foforo ya ompeso no eye no eho sansemi ne nsem foforo biya no pay ye de bro Adom TV Badwam kase share live on Facebook /Adom TV extra go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube search Adom TV tube na kwadomonline.com semi ne nsem foforo bi ewo ho bidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia di de 7 nchiremu Greater Accra manager ma drivers and licensing authority Justice Kujo senukure bie nimu won sama wo kan fa the CEO ya wono wo DVL eho ni nyina no eye Vehicle Enforcement Association of Ghana and sama one more kan fa ene number plate fufo na wo mo de ba no o kiremu se de wo mo kan no nukure bia enim
Omuka sa nyame kan say enye nokre enye nokre kire say say the year 2023 there was an agreement with one company who is supposed to be solely responsible for production of a number plate. And you know, ono na buy any sign contract and I say DVL for any sign contract say we produce number plate e de amaye. See a number plate na ye de ba no. E digitalize number plate. O share your number plate see you use as at now. It's not digitalized. It's a manual one. So the question is that there's a new technology. There's a new system. Inti embosses na omoka se yecho omwe ejano. Do they even have the technology? Because any omo is here number plates, you know. The one who won the contract is who's going to give us the number plate. And it's a Ghanaian.
Sabeye na snake adwumakuo won mo adwuma beye fe beye akono na won mo client nso ani aso ntino ene won mo guso aye nsakraye eboa ma snake ekona nimu a won mo 54th branch ene won mo abie na we ne de abe for kwan so ena won mo de ebedi adwuma Adom kase edeba
snake time bia ye two workers ene Ghana for sefa dachi personal ni adwene no ye say se beka che yourself adachi personal na se agisa otina ka mu etu kwan ko baabi ansa na obetimi ne abedi nkitahudi na watimi afa adachi personal emwa nti ya dadwen ho ne say adenti na yen create a virtual branch bibia obetimi akoye branch ema wako ne ya serve wono ya say virtually da wompem tra wakonyam da mangudu ya ase na eni endi nkitahudi ni solve or pension problems.
Enwachi na swafo abedi echire ya ohwe nkitahudie ni abefu kwanso dwumadi ho nsem so Mohammed Adam Suparu enso di tudwa se aban bekoso aso senator sene amasa ni so ade hu na wodi na abefu kwanso no akonanim.
This is a legacy project. I wouldn't call it a platform. I wouldn't call it a program. It is a project to me. And I once again want to use the opportunity to assure the Director General, his deputies, the executive management staff of Senate and all the board of trustees of Senate that as government, whatever we would do to support them to succeed, government led by His Excellency, the President of the Republic, John Dramani Mahama, we will ensure that whatever that we have to do to support them, we'll continue to provide that for them to continue render that essential services.
Ghana Yampani John Dramani Mahama de Sosabo Fomwa Ebe Makwan na ho Oxygen City Housing Unit no one more apa ho woman free asie na we no ye hwe ni mu se ebeye edan ye bo no eye na ejira yie enso na ebe bo ade hye ye wokro no emu nsem eni.
Ladies and gentlemen, Housing is one of the clearest measures of a society's progress. A safe, decent home is not a privilege for a few, but is a fundamental requirement for human dignity, economic productivity, social stability, and national cohesion. And that is why housing occupies a central place in our reset agenda. Under this agenda, we are fundamentally rethinking how Ghana plans, builds, and grows its cities and its towns. We're moving away from uncoordinated urban sprawl and speculative land use towards well-planned, fully serviced, and economically integrated communities.
Eho eno Sunday etuja sendi senior tema Development Corporation Ghana Limited for every one more entabe modu ni achiri mu ho no eyade eni ebabeboa ma ban so ni swade ho no wotumi edru ho.
The expansion of TDC Ghana Limited beyond the original Tema acquisition area is not accidental. It is a conscious policy. Development must not remain concentrated in a few enclaves. Our national objective is clear. Growth must be regional, it must be equitable, and it must be purposeful. Ghana continues to face a substantial housing deficit, one that weighs most heavily on working families, young professionals, and public sector workers.
It was Uncle we moon, this year, wo from Montemonia, Japan, Daman John Dramani, Mahama, Basso, and one name so so, dear bo for more bachelors, ABC, and dying, Sabaya, this year be so ebina.
Yeah, that's it. Michia Obibia, TDC, any Mahama government, Niamundi Brain, Yenia Sopa, and Martisu say, near voter region, Behana stepping stone. Ebeko region bia ede puntom beba ama affordable house nso yenso yeni agi se edwumayefo nso obia nso benye bi edanu bia han uniska kra obetua kakakra ne ye me depa ne se edwuma nso beba youth nso benye edwumaye.
Ehona penyimpa wono ne da Adonai Real Estate ano Reverend Dr. Bright Adonai enso ekire sene project ababe pimo wono eyade a ababe bo wakoni senyina eso.
The project is so relevant in the sense that sincerely we have been here since 2020 trying to build a city, and I remember very well the president then, President John Dramani Mahama, was doing the thank you tour. And he mentioned that he wants development of road to come towards the whole airport. So he was recommending people to come for our airport Gulf City lands and build hotels, residential apartments, businesses, shopping malls. Today, I am happy because it is happening. Why am I happy? Because TDC, we all know how well they are organized. And I believe government support is there. Definitely, the facilities we need around here, like light, water, is going to be extended here shortly.
Some no so my Ghana and a day yadi asra for nkron any asoja for aduanan enum yadi one more call Jamaica by no emo one more 48 engineer regiment ho Ghana Armed Forces one more enko na wonka kan wonu anmo nka ye wo Jamaica na nsen ye yete ye and from den any said ye senya pade ni ade nti wonko enko boa wo.
Enche bia na kopi mo Jamaica man no emu a Hurricane Melissa essay eniama ahodo a enye asemkuma ena mesoma eni Ghana aban eyi asrafo aduanan enuma wonom efree 48 engineer regiment ai wa Ghana Armed Forces mu se wonom kopi mo Jamaica man mu na womo a wonom se ne be ya enema hodo betumi aye na afenso wonom edesisi wonkru no emu ewo dwumedi bia odehye so na wonom eja asrafo yi ama wonom akopi mo ewo Jamaica no mampanyi John Dramani Mahama eni edetuja se.
This deployment reflects Ghana's solidarity with the people of Jamaica and our shared history, values, and bonds within the African Caribbean family. After the destruction of the hurricane, Ghana dispatched humanitarian assistance to the friendly people of Jamaica and Cuba, and also to the displaced people of Sudan. This humanitarian assistance included food aid, locally produced Ghanaian rice, blankets, mattresses, plastic buckets, medicines, and other such accoutrements.
Yenye so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hana brema kwan na no pɛ ye de asie